Hello, family. Hello, everyone. Happy Easter Sunday. Happy Resurrection Sunday. I hope you all have had a wonderful Easter Sunday service. Well, I don't know about you, but I did, and it was wonderful and beautiful. Well, I'm just going to jump right straight into the topic for today. And today I'm going to be explaining or telling us some truths and some facts that they don't tell you about a keto diet. A keto diet is not a fast approach. Now, some people think, oh, when I start a keto diet, I'm going to start losing the pounds in day two. Well, sorry to bust your bubble, the pounds do not fall off in day two. Now, what some people might notice is that your clothes might fit better, and that probably might happen within the first week of starting keto, and that's just basically your body losing all that water fat, all the water, not fat, sorry. And then with time you begin to lose the fat. So please do not assume that when you start a keto diet today, by tomorrow the weight should start falling off. No, give yourself time, give your body time to adapt to the changes. And then I think for me, I began to see noticeable changes from week 2. And this is by just sticking strictly to the diet. So by week 2 I began to see noticeable changes. So when I mean noticeable changes, again, the scale did not move much, but my clothes fit a little bit better, so they were not as tight as they used to be. Now, another lie or another thing that they don't tell you about the keto diet is with the keto diet you have to drink. Drinking is essential with a keto diet. When I mean drinking, I don't mean Coke. Now, you could have Diet Coke, but I don't mean sugary drinks. Water should be your best friend. On the keto diet, water should be your best friend. Aim for at least 2.5 liters of water every single day. That should be your aim. If you can do 3 liters, that is fine. But between 2 to 2.5 liters of water every single day, you should aim for that on the keto diet. I think, of course, we know water has a lot of benefits, but then when you're on a keto diet as well, you need water. Your body needs that water to be able to function and flush out all that it needs to flush out. Now, another thing that they don't tell you about a keto diet is fasting. Now, when you fast, it also speeds up the process of weight loss. Now, some people who would have seen rapid results, maybe they might have combined their keto diet with a bit of fasting. And when you do that, you're going to see rapid results. Now, when I mean fasting, I mean intermittent fasting. So you can do intermittent fasting depending on how much you can go. Maybe from you can do 8-16, and then that is it. So then you will see rapid results. So when people tell you, oh, well, I did that as well, because I noticed, well, with the keto diet, as soon as you get on track, you find out that you're not even eating as much. So therefore the weight will come off. But then if you want rapid results, then you have to follow that up with intermittent fasting. Now, another thing with the keto diet is it's not a diet where you starve yourself. On the keto diet, you eat until you're full. No, please do not binge eat. I'm not asking you to binge eat. You eat when you're full, you stop. Now, please, don't eat the wrong things, because when you eat the wrong thing and say, no, they said eat until you're full. No, you eat the right things. If you eat the right keto meals, you eat until you're full. So you're not measuring. So we're not measuring, I'm going to eat 2 cups of salad, I'm going to eat 2 cups of this or 1 cup of that. No, you eat until you're full. And then that way you're not craving for something else, because when you're full, then you're not craving for more. But when you're not full, then you begin to crave for more food, then you begin to snack. But then if you eat until you're full, then you can stop. Literally, when I started, to be honest, I will have a big bowl of salad and I will eat until I'm full. Or when I make keto gari, if you haven't seen that video, go back. I'm going to put the card up there. Go back and watch it. When I make my keto gari, initially when I started, my portion were quite, I wouldn't say huge. I'm not a big eater, but my portions were quite sizable. And then as time went on, I began to reduce my portion because I felt I didn't need that much food anymore. So, but I wasn't starving myself. I wasn't saying, well, I'm going to eat half a cup or one. No, I ate until I was satisfied and then I stopped eating. So don't think it's a diet where you have to measure. I've seen people who measure. You measure this and you measure that. Please please and please and please don't give yourself more work where there's already some work. You can make things easy for yourself. You eat until you're full, and then as time goes by, your body will adjust. You begin to eat less. You find out that you begin to eat less, and then you don't even need to worry about, oh, I'm eating too much, or I'm binge eating. So please do not starve yourself. Now, the final thing I want to tell you about the keto diet is it is a lifestyle. Hey, 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 it is a lifestyle. Don't think, well, I'm going to lose the kgs and then I'm going to go back to my regular way of eating. Oh, sorry, darling, to bust your bubbles, you're going to add all of that weight again. You are going to pile up that weight again. Now, once you understand how a keto diet works, now, sometimes my weights have fluctuated. Maybe I traveled and I come back, I've done less of ketoing while I'm outside and I come back in. But because I've done keto for what, nearly 5 years now? 5 years actually. I've done keto for 5 years. February this year is 5 years. I've learned how to balance things. So I've learned, okay, if I eat this, then I have to fast. Or I've learned, okay, if I do what I'm not, if I eat something that's, I mean, we're human, to be honest, we are human. Sometimes you will crave for a cake or a biscuit. I'll go ahead and eat one. I'm very conscious of it. I probably eat one and then I realize, okay, then I'm going to fast the next meal to try and burn off that extra calorie. So I've learned how to work with the keto diet. But I haven't gone back to my full carbs because to me, it is a lifestyle. And to be honest, once you know and you learn how to eat clean, you will find it really difficult to go back to eating the old ways. But if you do, sorry, darling, you're going to pile all that weight up and more. So when you get on the keto diet, just give yourself and tell yourself, this is now going to be my lifestyle. This is how I am going to eat forever. And that is why I have taken time in my videos. If you haven't gone to watch my videos, Keto for Nigerians, go back and watch it. I've taken time to study and to learn how to substitute meals so I don't feel as if I'm missing any of my Nigerian food or my English food, because I have learned how to substitute a lot of things and I can still enjoy all of my meals because it is a lifestyle. I don't want to do something whereby tomorrow I'm going to be craving for rice because I haven't eaten rice in months. Well, I have rice substitute, so therefore I'm not craving for rice. And then you find out that it is easier for you to stick to the diet. So guys, these are my top tips. These are the things that they don't tell you when you start on a keto diet. But here I have broken them down for you and hopefully this should help you on your keto journey. Well, thank you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscription button and also click the notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first to know. Well, happy Resurrection Sunday once more, and I wish you a fantastic week. Bye.